How to fix no sound for incoming calls on iPhone. So if you want to fix no sound for incoming calls on your iPhone, then the first thing you need to do is restart your device. After restarting, your problem might be fixed. If the issue still continues after restarting, then check whether your Bluetooth is interfering. Many iPhones Many iPhones automatically connect to previously paired earbuds, speakers, or car audio systems, which can redirect call audio away from the internal speaker. Open up your control center by swiping down from the top right corner, and then you will have the Bluetooth option. Hold the Bluetooth icon to view active connections for a full reset. You can just simply open up your settings and switch off completely. Go with your Bluetooth and turn it off. Try receiving another call and check if audio returns. If calls are still silent, then it's time to look at your accessibility audio settings. Navigate to the settings, accessibility, and then under accessibility, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of audio and visual. Then scroll down to find the balance slider. If the slider is pushed heavily to the left or right, one side of the audio output may be muted or significantly reduced. Move the slider to the center and test your iPhone again, and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.